Oh, I can't see. Okay, we're in the Jeep going to Green Beach.
We think.
We're a little lost, but according to the book, we're going in the right direction. Well, we're going north now. Except we have no idea where we're headed, but there's been some nice. Okay, so here's the back so you can kind of see. Technically, it says that we should not go off-roading, but
Everyone else is.
everyone else is, and not only that, isn't this on the road?
Where are we going?
We're not going off the road. Okay, well, oh, it's right there. Okay. Oh, and the background music, that's local music. And aloha, we'll see you later.